Hello everyone, today I've got an amazing wall art hack to share with you all, and you seriously don't want to miss this one. I have seen this on Pinterest and a few people have done it on YouTube like Moji Style and Claire, which leads me on to saying that this video is a collaboration with Claire's Crafty Corner. Claire is also a crafty DIY girl and she has an amazing channel with lots of great content for you to check out, so make sure you do check her out after watching this video. I will leave a link to her channel up here and in the description box. And what we're going to be doing is we're both going to be creating some wall art using a rubber mat. Yes, a rubber mat. This is going to turn out into a stunning piece, I promise. So the first thing you're going to want to do is spray paint your mat whatever colour you like. The size that I have got for this is a 40 by 60 centimetre mat. I think that looks beautiful already, but we're not done yet. Next you want to get yourself some wood, or a foam board can also work, but I didn't get some foam board because it actually worked out more expensive than the wood. So I've got 6mm MDF and I've cut it to size to match the rubber mat. The next thing that you want to get is a reflective mirror sticker. I brought this colour, which is like a bronzy gold, to match the matte colour that I've done. But when I tried it out, the silver at the back actually looked better, so I will be using it this way around. Now I need to cut this to the size of the wood and then stick it down. These have a sticky adhesive at the back, so you don't need to use hot glue or anything like that. Now I've cut the mirror sticker to size, I'm going to peel the backing off and stick it down. Now I've smoothed out and stuck on the mirror backing and it's nice and secure. We're going to take the mat and stick that on. Look at how beautiful this is, guys. So easy, so quick. We've pretty much finished now, so we've stuck the mat down with some hot glue onto the wood and the mirror backing, and it's all stable now. So you can leave it like this, or you could mount it onto a wall, and I'll show you how to do that. And you can also leave it plain, or you could bling it up. So I brought these embellishments for the piece, but I decided to leave it simple and go without. So it's completely up to you what your style is, what your tastes are, and what your decor is. So just to show you all, this is something that you can do. Just place some embellishments, some jewels on the mat, and just hot glue them in place. So this is how it would look if I put some kind of jewels and more detail on it. And you can of course put some throughout the whole of the mat, but if I was to use some, that was all I was planning to really do with it. Let me know what version you prefer. Would you add the jewels or would you leave it without? If you want to mount your wall art, you want to measure the length of your wood and then get the center and mark that. I'm taking this backing here and I'm hammering a nail in each of the sides there into the center of the wood. Just a little tip that I'm sharing, I hot glued this down so that it doesn't move around while I'm trying to get the nails in, and that makes it a lot easier to work with. So the pins that I had were too long, so I kind of had to hammer them sideways, but that's really secure now, it's not budging at all. I've just got a normal screw in on the wall and I'm going to hang the wall art over here. And here is the finished project all on my wall. It's really secure and guys, I love it. I think that you all will agree This is such a quick, simple, easy DIY, and look at how beautiful it is. It just looks really expensive. No one will ever know that it's a doormat. I got my mat online and I'm going to leave you the link to this in the description box, but I know that you can get cheaper ones in B&M if you are in the UK. Thanks to Claire for giving me a heads up on that. Go ahead and give me a like if you have enjoyed this video, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please do stay and click that subscribe button. Don't forget that you can totally personalize this to your own taste, so you can spray the mat whatever color you like, and you can also change the mirror to be a different color in the back, and then you can also add jewels and things like that onto the piece. This is a really nice way to add some more light into your room, and you have the bonus of it being a gorgeous decor piece. Thank you for watching. See you in the next DIY. Bye.